Hi, good afternoon, my dear student. Already you know that yesterday we have discussed about the coset function, right coset and left coset. That is expressed for the values. On this base, already I have discussed one greatest theorem. So here another similar theorem is there, along with order of a cyclic group and order of element is there. This one we are going to express. For example, already countable number of elements. So we are going to express. So a to the power n is equal to some elements is there. That order of, it means order of n, it means a to the power n implies order of a is equal to n, number of element. But that expression is a way to define. Here, listen carefully. Most important theorem is that if H is a finite, then number of element in a right or left coset of H is equal to the order of H. Let us discuss this one, how to take the values. So first you know that a function is there. Define a function. So which function you are going to consider? Define a function. Define a function. Here clearly observe such function is that f h of particularly h of a. So we know that this is by right hand coset we are going to express. These expressions they are going to define. On this one, defined by clearly that expression, I am going to take f of hi is equal to hi. I hope you know that you have studied this set. It is one of the greatest point onto function that maybe you are going to express. You are try to remember for the onto function. So here I am going to consider for all hi belongs to h. Finite means counting the number of element. Consider, I am going to consider one greatest values. Consider. So here I am taking the value f of hi, or here two element hi is equal to f of hj. Try to remember like that. F of a1 is equal to f of a2. So in the part second year, this is the, it means belongs to that part. Both are the 1 function. Same like that. That is here this expression for the second year. So this one they are going to take I and j are the two different element. So this one let us consider next point on this one hi, here hj a, right? In this expression, why I am going to take in the above expression f of hi is equal to hi, f of hj is equal to hj a. So cancellation, this one and this one, what is the remaining? hi is equal to hj. So for all hi belongs to capital H. This is a right cancellation. This is a right cancellation. Clear? This it happens. Therefore, this is called the f is 1 function. Clearly. So before you are, let us consider 1 and onto function. So here we are going to take 1 function. What do you mean by onto function? There exists at least one element. It happens minimum in the codomain element exists for the domain. There exists at least one element in a codomain. Y belongs to Y and such that X belongs to H. So that is called f of a is equal to b. you have studied the definitions of onto function. But here, so we are going to take onto function also very clearly, since every elements belongs to H of A is the images of some H, small h, belonging to capital H, right? Therefore, F is onto. When you can take, since commonly you know that we are going to express, since F is 1 1 and onto. F is 1 1 and onto. When 1 1 and onto, what do you mean by? Therefore, it is exists for the bijective. So that's why you are going to defining very clearly. So we are going to express number of element, the number of elements in domain, H, and those in the codomain, clearly check it. H of A is same. Why I am going to take this one? Simply we are going to take 1 1 and onto functions are the domain and codomains are we are going to express. So that's why we are going to take. By the way, in the last step, the element of right coset, the element of right coset. What is the element of right cosets of H? Right cosets of H, clearly, so that is called order of H. Similarly, we are going to express for the left coset, right? So of H is O of H. What they are asking question? If H is a finite, then the number of element in a right or left coset of H is equal to the order of element. Hence, we prove that. So this is the most important theorem. Each steps are clearly most important. So I'm going to defining another theorem in the next class. Thank you so much. I will continue the next class on the different theorems. Thank you.